अंकल टॉयलेट में हवे ने बल्ला टाइम को छाओ मैं कितना बचूं मैं इधर కూర్చుంటా నేను అటు కూర్చుంటా నేను వర్టికల్ గా తీస్తా
విండో సీట్ దగ్గర కూర్చొని ఫోటో తీయాలి. మనం అంత దూరంలో ఉన్నాం.
What better way to celebrate the fact than to commission our own beer? It's brewed in either a single bottle or as part of the perfect gift for the train spotter in your life. Or if you're just trying to get a head start. For those of you that are leaving us here, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us today and to wish you a safe onward journey. Our next stop is Hatherthwaite.
Hello.
Can I remind all passengers that need to return to Lakeside that due to the forecasted high winds this afternoon, 2:15 will be after.